Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this simple, easy, amazing sauce which you can serve as a side dish sauce at your party, and this is very easy. In Ghana we call it wele, but the Nigerians call it Ponmo. It's the same thing and it is so delicious. Let's get started. So as you can tell, my Ponmo is washed and clean. I'll go ahead and divide it into long stripes and then cut it into smaller pieces. So you can cut it into any size of your choice, but I went into smaller pieces. The smaller it is, it's better, and then it cooks more faster. So this is it. I went ahead and washed it again and then transferred it into my saucepan. I'll go ahead and add in seasoning, which is garlic powder, ginger powder, onion powder, vegetable seasoning, chili powder, and salt. I'll stir that till well combined and then add in water, but let it cook for at least 2 minutes before adding in the water. I added in fennel seeds as well, which is totally optional. So stir it and then let it cook for at least 2 minutes more before adding in water. Add in enough water, cover it and bring it to a boil. Whilst it's cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my veggies, which is onion, ginger, garlic, red bell pepper, habanero pepper, and green bell pepper. I'll add in water and blend. You can use oil instead of the water, but I prefer using water. It helps to cook the veggies. So after 30 minutes, I went ahead and stirred it, checked, and it was still not soft enough for me. So I added in just a little amount of water, covered it, and let it cook for at least 15 minutes more. After 15 minutes, I went ahead and checked. It was okay, it was soft enough. You know, I do not want it like to melt in your mouth, like that soft. I don't like that. I still want a little bit of crunchiness in it, so I didn't cook it that tender. So if you want it that tender, that it will melt in your mouth, you can let it stay on the fire and then let it cook until you get to the point you're looking for. So I went ahead and added in olive oil to my saucepan. I kept that aside. I moved to the sauce. I added in olive oil to the saucepan and then I added in the blended veggies. I let this cook for at least 5 minutes, and then when it's almost about to be ready, I then added in dried shrimp powder and Harry's powder. And this is basically this. It's simple, easy. Just let it cook until you see oil on top, oil has formed on top, and then add in your Ponmo. That's it, guys. This is simple, but trust me, it's so delicious. It's very yumicious. So once you add in the Ponmo or the wele, let it cook for at least 2 minutes more and add in your veggies. So once the veggies are added to it, that's all. Do not overcook it. Take it off from the fire and save. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. And guys, I love Ponmo when it comes to eating waakye. I always want Ponmo on my waakye. I always want wele, and even in my okra soups. I love it. I hope you really enjoyed watching. Love you all. Stay blessed and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Adios.